Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will study about XML tree. XML documents form a tree structure. XML documents must contain a root element. This element is the parent of all other elements. The element in the XML document form a document tree. The tree starts at the root and branches to the lowest level of tree. All elements can have sub-elements, which is called child elements. For example, in this code fragment of XML, first is the root element, and in root element we have written child element. We can also put sub-child element, and we can also put sub-sub-child element. So this is the tree of our XML document. For example, in previous tutorial we have created node as a root node and to from heading and body as a child node. The term parent, child and sibling are used to describe the relationship between elements. Parent elements have children. Children on the same level are called siblings. Now let's see one example of bookstore. So you can see we have created one XML document of bookstore. Here bookstore is the root element in which we have created book as the child element. Now book contains various category. This category is attribute. About attribute we will more see in further tutorials. And book contains further child elements which are title, author, year and price. We are adding more and more data in this XML file. So we have created one more node of book and define attribute category is equal to children, title is equal to Harry Potter, and we can also specify attribute in childs. We are specifying author J.K. Rowling, year 2005 and price $29.99. So this is the structure of XML document. In this XML document, book is the parent element of title, author, year and price. Same way we have created three parent element and we have added various childs and we have completed root node. Now let's see tree of this document. Root element is bookstore. We have given parent and child relationship to book element. We have given attribute category. Now book element contains four sub element which is title, author, year and price. Again title contains attribute language, and title and author are siblings of each other. And finally text or data is written in this element. So this is about tree structure of XML document. Thank you.